she deserves to have slept inside for a few days. So she knows what to do as a 63-year-old woman. So, Anzo Buttercup.
So does this mean this is the end of?
Ndo mashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe. Wicknell Chivayo ari kuti haana tsitsi, haana kana mashoko matsvene nambuya vake pamwe chete na-ex-wife wake Sonia Madzikanda, avo vari muusungwa, vanga vari muusungwa kwemazuva anokwana iwo 3 zvichitevera kusungwa kwavo, vachipomedzerwa mhosva yekujenareta mifananidzo yemusangano wavari kuti pakati pavo, pakati paWicknell Chivayo naVasiri Ramaphosa, mifananidzo inova yakonzeresa kutaurika kwakasiyana-siyana padande mutande. Zvichakadaro, Wicknell Chivayo awithdrawa mhosva dzaanga ari kupomedzera mbuya vake pamwe chete na-ex-wife wake, achiti tanga tine shungu yekuti dai vambogara mukati vanzwe bhata nekuti zvavakaita hazvisi zvinhu zvingatarisirika. Achiri kuenderera mberi nekupomedzera mhosva ambuya vake kuti vakajenareta mifananidzo yekuita sekuti vakanga vaine musangano naVasiri Ramaphosa. Ivo vaRamaphosa vakaramba kuti havazivane naWicknell Chivayo, asi mifananidzo iyi yakaverifayiwa ne-AI kuti haina anything to do with AI, it's an original photo. Asi Wicknell Chivayo ari kuinsista kuti mufananidzo uyu wakagadzirwa ne-AI. Ndo mashoko atanga takabata muri Zimbabwe.
So we've been made to understand that you are coming here to withdraw the charges against your ex-wife. What prompted that?
She's the mother of my children, so I have forgiven her. My kids have been calling, asking, where's mommy? So once it involves my kids, then I'm defeated because of the people I love the most.
And do you at any point regret the turn of events, what has happened?
No, I don't regret anything because for my mother-in-law to circulate, fake pictures of me and President Ramaphosa as a way of trying to show that President Ramaphosa's spokesperson lied, that it was my first time meeting him at Cricket Farm. I think that was a bit out of order. She went to the extremes. Citizens must respect heads of state. That was uncalled for, and she deserves to have slept inside for a few days. So she knows what to do as a 63-year-old woman. So, Anzo Buttercup.
So does this mean this is the end of your relationship with the Madzikanda family?
No, our relationship can never end. We have 2 children, so it's okay, and I'll still be there for them. I've forgiven them. That's why I've withdrawn the charges.
Okay. And does it mean similar charges, including the ones, the fraud and everything?
Yes, well, fraud, as a person who understands the law, there was no fraud that was committed, but she attempted to try and buy some piece of land worth 1.4 million with my children's investments, and according to the High Court order, we agreed that $5 million is for my children. It's a cash investment, but behind my back she was trying to go and buy land to try and build clusters. So as a mother-in-law, that's not her responsibility to try and run my children. And my ex-wife has been trying to connive with banking officials to say, can they remove Wicknell as a signatory on the children's account, when in the beginning the order said I play an oversight role. The money belongs to my kids and she's the mother of the children. So, but I just give an oversight role. So for her to try and remove my name so that her and her mother can go and build class, that's, that, well, I couldn't call it attempted fraud, but it's just unacceptable.
And maybe lastly, besides the $5 million in maintenance claim, is it possible that you'll be giving them extra money outside that?